Hey amazing mamas, juggling kids, household chores, and maybe even a rogue pet or two is a superpower in itself. But what if I told you that you could add another awesome title to your resume? Online money making extraordinaire. That's right, the internet is bursting with opportunities that fit perfectly into the nooks and crannies of your busy day. Forget stuffy commutes and rigid schedules. This guide is your friendly roadmap to discovering flexible and fulfilling ways to earn money from the comfort of your own home in 2025. Ready to ditch the guilt of wanting a little extra income and step into a world of online possibilities? Let's dive in and unlock your earning potential. What it is. If you have a knack for words, businesses and individuals always need help with writing articles, blog posts, website content, product descriptions, and editing various types of text. Why it's great for moms. Flexible hours, you can choose projects that interest you, and you can work around nap times and school schedules. Getting started. Create a profile on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or the ProBlogger job board. Showcase your writing samples or offer a test piece. Earning potential. It varies greatly based on experience and niche, but can range from $20 to $100 plus per article. Virtual assistant, VA, services. As a VA, you provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients from a remote location. Tasks can include managing emails, scheduling appointments, social media management, data entry, customer service, and more. Why it's great for moms. You can leverage your organizational skills and often set your hours. Many small businesses and entrepreneurs need reliable part-time help. Identify your strongest skills and create a profile on VA platforms like Belay, Fancy Hands, or create your own website. Network with online business owners. Earning potential. Typically ranges from $15 to $50 plus per hour, depending on your skills and experience. Many businesses need help managing their social media presence. This involves creating and scheduling posts, engaging with followers, running campaigns, and analyzing results. Why it's great for moms. If you're already active on social media, you have a head start. You can often work during pockets of free time. Learn about social media marketing strategies and tools. Offer your services to local businesses or online entrepreneurs. Build a portfolio by managing your own social media effectively. Earning potential. Can range from $25 to $75 plus per hour or a monthly retainer for ongoing management. 5. Selling crafts or handmade goods online. What it is. If you're crafty, you can sell your creations, jewelry, knitwear, art, etc. through online marketplaces. Why it's great for moms. You can turn a hobby into income and work on your creations when you have time. Getting started. Set up shop on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, for your own store, or even sell through social media. Take high-quality photos of your products. Earning potential. Depends entirely on your products, pricing, and marketing efforts. Online surveys and micro-tasks. What it is. Completing online surveys, participating in market research, or performing small online tasks, like data entry or image tagging, for money. Why it's great for moms. Very flexible, requires minimal commitment, and can be done during short breaks. Getting started. Sign up on reputable survey sites like Swagbucks, Amazon Mechanical Turk, or Prolific Academic. Earning potential. Lower compared to other options, but it can provide a small, consistent income. Starting a blog or YouTube channel. What it is. Sharing your expertise, passions, or experiences through written content, blog, or videos, YouTube. You can monetize through advertising, sponsorships, selling your own products, or affiliate marketing. Why it's great for moms. Allows you to build a community around your interests and create content on your own schedule. Earning potential. Takes time and effort to build an audience, but the potential for income can be significant. Which of these online income ideas excites you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on making money online and balancing work and family life. The world of online earning is vast and full of potential. Don't be afraid to explore different avenues and find what resonates with your skills and interests. Start small, be consistent, and celebrate your progress. You've got this, Supermama. The possibilities are just a click away.